Hey, Greg Jeffries here, and in this video I want to do a brief review and overview of a product called Direct Response by John Mulry. Pretty generic name there, but the thing that I've learned over my couple years on online marketing, affiliate marketing, is that this is basically what it all comes down to. There's an abundant never-ending amount of traffic out there, and there's all these different marketplaces to target your ideal prospects and demographics. But if you can't sell, if you don't know how to sell, either in a video or it really comes down to words on the page, because words can always be read. In a video sales letter, you can always hire a voice actor if you're not comfortable being on camera, but you need to learn how to sell, and that comes down to direct response. You need to learn how to convince people to take an action. And a lot of people like to talk about traffic. A lot of people like to talk about sell you magical softwares and talk about all the other things, but really everything comes down to, like, your success as an online marketer. It really comes down to understanding how people think, and getting them to take action. Because even if you're an affiliate marketer, whether you're doing CPA marketing or driving affiliate sales, you're going to be way more successful if you know not just how to create landing pages and opt-in pages and stuff, but knowing how to write copy that converts and gets people to take action. Because you can drive traffic all day, but if you don't have the right message in front of the right audience, then you're not going to be that successful. You may have a little bit of success, but you're always going to be scratching your head wondering, what am I missing? And it's that you don't understand copywriting and how to write effective copy that sells. So that is what you're going to learn inside of this product. And again, I don't have a lot of information about this particular marketer. I haven't heard of him before, but he's obviously aligned himself and kind of associated himself with copywriting legend Dan Kennedy. So he's got a quote from him here. So obviously he's been through probably some of Dan's books and has put together a product with a couple different upsells here that's going to teach you how to create effective copy. So this is what the sales funnel looks like. So you've got a couple different upsells here, and if you're wondering what's missing, if you're wondering why you're not successful with Facebook ads or solo ads, writing your own emails, getting people to open your emails, getting people to click links inside of your emails. If you're wondering why, all the pieces of the puzzle, but there's just still something missing, you're not really sure what that is, it's copywriting. It's learning how to sell effectively. You got to learn that skill, and that's what you're going to learn inside of this training. So if you're at a level, or if you're at a place in your business, ideally, hopefully you're kind of just starting out and you're seeing this early, because it's better to I know it's not sexy, but this is it can be fun. It can be cool once you start to see results from learning and implementing this stuff. But it's something that it's not super sexy to sell, but it's very powerful information once you have learned it and mastered it, because it can make you lots and lots of money. So that's what you're getting inside this in this training. In this product. So click the link below or somewhere on this page to learn more about this product and decide if it's right for you at this time. If you do decide to take action and move forward and purchase this product, what I'm throwing in as a bonus is access to my IamSource Academy membership. This is really going to give you all the other things you need to be successful, all the skills that you need to be successful, teach you a lot of evergreen strategies such as SEO, list building, product creation. So these are all the things to do once you've mastered that skill, because basically that's going to, this product is going to make you 10 times more effective at doing SEO, affiliate marketing, trying to, do reviews and affiliate products. It's going to make you more successful at traffic. It's going to make you more successful at creating information products. It's going to make you more successful at list building. So these are all the things that you can do with this information, and you can still be slightly successful with just this information, but you're going to 10x your results by combining these two products. So that's what I'm throwing in as a bonus. It's got a $300 value, so a very, very big value in exchange for taking action and purchasing this product today. So check out the link below, and if you decide to take action today, reach out to me. There'll be a link below as well to reach out to me directly. Once I confirm your purchase, I'll hook you up with that bonus. So again, this is Greg Jeffries, and this has been my review and overview of John Mulry's direct response WSO product.